Where's my snare? I have no snare in my headphones. There you go. Yo. Have you ever been hated or discriminated against? I have. I've been protested and demonstrated against. Pick my signs for my wicked rhymes. Look at the time. Sick of the mind of the motherfucking kid that's behind. I'm emotion, confidence, holding. Sickles flare comparisons. Blow them off and keep going. Not taking nothing from no one. Give them hell on as I'm breathing. Keep kicking ass in the morning. Taking names in the evening. Leaving with the face of sound. Vinegar and I. See, they can trigger me, but they'll never figure me out. Look at me now, I bet you're probably sick of me now. Ain't you, mama? I'ma make you look so ridiculous now. I'm sorry, mama. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm bringing out my closet. I said I'm sorry, mama. I never meant to hurt you. Never make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. I got some skeletons in my closet now. No one knows it. So before you throw me inside my coffin clothes, I'm exposed. I'll take you back to 73. Before I ever had a mouth of platinum selling CDs. I was a baby, maybe I was just a couple of months. My fake father must have had his panties up in a bunch as he split. I'm wondering if he's been kissing me goodbye. No, I don't. On second thought, I fucking wish he would die. I look at Haley, I'm picturing leaving her aside. Even if I hate it, I grit my teeth and I try. Make it work with her release. I gotta make some mistakes, but I'm only human. But I'm man enough to face him today. What I did was stupid, no doubt it was dumb. But the smartest shit I did was take the bullets out of that gun. So I would kill him. Shit, I would've shot him and then both is my life. I like to welcome y'all to the Eminem show. I'm sorry, mama. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. I said I'm sorry, mama. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. That's my mama, just to get recognition. Take a second for the living. Less than ambition, yourself in my position. Just trying to envision your mama popping prescription pills in the kitchen, bitching. Her research and medicine. My whole life I was made to believe I was sick when I wasn't, but I grew. Yeah, blew up. Now sick to your stomach wasn't the reason you made that CD for me, ma. So you could try to justify the way you treated me, ma. Guess what? You didn't know you now when it's cold and you're lonely. Your name was growing up so great. You're gonna know that you're phony. And Haley's so baby now you should see it. She's beautiful, but you'll never see it. She won't even be at your funeral. Hurt me the most when you was wrong. Tell me stuff that you was a mom. But I tell you, try to take what you didn't help me to get. You selfish bitch, I fucking hope you burn in hell for this shit. Mommy died and said it wish it was me. Well, guess what? I am dead. Dead as you can be. I'm sorry, mama. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry. But tonight, I'm cleaning out my closet. I said I'm sorry, mama. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. Hey guys, for my viewers, thank you for watching. Sorry I had some mistakes in it. I'm new to this. I guess I'll catch you guys later. Bye.